Hi all. So thanks for watching again the Excel world. Thanks for joining. So today we will be learning a new function called concatenate function. So now today we will see how it will work and on which problem it will work. So we will be putting our focus of the day today. So this is our focus of the day. This function we will be going through in-depth knowledge about this function, what it is, how it works, and in which problem it works, and what is the solution it is providing us. So this is the concatenate function. So what it do? So we will put this in a simple language. So concatenate function is what? So you have to learn it in that way that concatenate function is used to join text two texts in single one. So when we have to join two texts in single one, we can use this function. So it is a very important function in Excel to join two texts. So for example, if we have two different name, first name and the last name, and we have the result, we need the result in the next column with the full name. So we can use this concatenate function easily. So now we will learn its implication, how it will be applied in the practical world. So we have the first name, we are putting some random names here, the first name and the last name, and then we will see and we will use this function to combine the first name and the last name in the full name column. So we are putting some random name here, and as we require some data to process, so we are just mentioning the first name right now, then we will mention the last name. So now we are putting the last name randomly. So after that, once this first name and last name we will put, we will see, we will just explain it through the help of notes also, and with the help of steps also, to properly understand this function. So we will also mention what will be the note or what will be the key learning for today's class. So what we will be getting from this function, we will mention this also over here. So we will use concatenate function to combine the first name and the last name. So this is our keynote. Now we will understand its different steps. What are the different steps there will be to work this formula? And it is a very simple formula, but it has a very vital work when we are working on a larger data, and when there is a big data and we require a result in 1 minute or less than 1 minute. So we are putting steps also for your reference in case you require it after the class. So we are just putting the steps. So first steps will be select the cell where the result is required. So we will select the full name first cell of the full name, and then there we will use the concatenate function. So now we will first click on the cell of the first full name, and then we will put equal to sign and then concatenate, then bracket open, then we will select the first name which we can see Sneha, then we will put comma, then we will put select the last name which is Gandhi, and then bracket close, then enter. See here, we can see here the result has pop up, so it's Sneha Gandhi. So we can see the formula also here what we have applied. Now we will drag the entire formula to get the result of all the columns in the full name. So this way we can easily apply the concatenate function in different data. So hope you understand it. Hopefully you understand it thoroughly. And now we will be putting different steps also for your reference in case you need it in future. So our learning is like the same way we are doing it earlier also, that while practicing or while teaching you have to be fully focused at the formula only, and after that you can see the steps and the notes for your reference, which will be helpful for you in future. So I am putting the steps also here the same way I have told you before, that we will put equal to, then concatenate, then bracket open, then select the first name, then we will select the last name, then bracket close, then enter. So we are putting all the steps for you so that you can easily understand the formula without any ado. So this is the entire thing about the concatenate function where we wanted to tell you. Now we will see how it goes. Just practice from your side and tell us if you are able to understand it, or is there any challenges you will be facing, and if there is any challenges you can tell us in the comment section. So now we will see the shortcut of the day. So before that I would like to thank you that thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe the channel if you like the content, and if you want more, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Now I would request you all to share this video, these such types of videos to your friends and family to grow together, and we can work on such videos and we can learn more skills of Excel from it. And as a part of family, we can learn together and we can help others also in growing in their organization, or we can share the best practices with them also at the same time. So this is all about the formula. So here we can see the entire formula. So now come up with the new function, and